Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Tasker by Taskrabbit app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Tasker is an on-demand service app that connects users with local professionals, known as taskers, for everyday tasks and home services. Originally designed to simplify hiring help for chores, repairs, and small projects, the platform has expanded into a full marketplace for home assistance. It allows you to book vetted service providers for cleaning, handyman work, moving help, furniture assembly, errands, and more. It's available on both iOS and Android in supported regions. The app's main feature is its task booking system. You choose the service you need, compare taskers based on rates, reviews, and skills, and then book directly through the app. Once hired, you can chat with your tasker, adjust details, schedule times, and handle payments securely. The platform focuses on convenience, transparency, and verified workers to ensure a reliable experience. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the wide range of available services, the ability to compare workers easily, and the convenience of same-day or next-day bookings. The review system helps users feel confident about who they are hiring, and the secure in-app payment process adds an extra layer of trust. For people with busy schedules or those who prefer hiring professionals rather than doing tasks themselves, the app offers major time savings. However, there are some drawbacks. Pricing can vary significantly depending on your location and the task category, and hourly rates may be higher than traditional contractors. Availability of taskers can also be limited in smaller cities or during peak hours. In addition, service quality depends on individual workers, so experiences may vary. In summary, the Tasker app may be worth using if you want quick access to trusted local professionals, transparent pricing, and convenient booking for home services and small projects. However, if you're trying to minimize costs or live in an area with fewer taskers, it might not be the most reliable solution for every job. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.